Hello guys, my name is David and in this video I will tell you everything you need to know about Ted's Woodworking review before buying this product. I'm going to give you some very important information and I also have some alerts about Ted's Woodworking plans that I'm going to tell you to keep you from losing money. So pay close attention to this video and stay until the end. The first warning I have to tell you is that Ted's Woodworking plans is only sold on the official website, so I recommend that you do not buy this product on any other website because you will take a big risk of falling for scams or even receiving a fake product. To help you, I left here in the description of the video the link of the official website if you want to access. Now I'll tell you what Ted's Woodworking is, the largest carpentry project database in the world. And if Ted's Woodworking plans really works. Ted's Woodworking is a compilation containing over 16,000 carpentry courses that help lay people do DIY carpentry, and even if you have no previous experience, you will be able to achieve with Ted's plans. By signing up for Plano Ted's, you can learn how to make beautiful household furniture, cages, benches, pool table, dog and doll houses, garden benches, and many other carpentry projects. And even before you start a project, the plans give you the exact list of tools and materials that you will need for the project. Nothing is more annoying than when you are in the middle of a project and you find that you don't have the correct tools or not enough material. But now, you'll be spending more time building and less time fretting and stressing yourself out. Now, each plan does provide an approximate time frame on how long it could take to complete a project. Take this estimate with a grain of salt. This is just an estimate. The truth is, you do these projects at your own pace. Some of us will be faster and some of us, like me who are not gifted when it comes to woodworking, will be slower. But it's not a race. And, unless you are looking to do this for a living, most of us will be doing woodworking projects as a hobby, and as such, it will obviously take us a little longer than the time listed. For example, it took me twice as long as the time listed to complete a cutting board project, but the end result was awesome. My friends and family couldn't believe that I made it. And the birdhouse I made for my sister really touched her heart because I made it and I customized it with a personal engraving for her. So you can really trust Ted's Woodworking plans. It's endorsed by carpentry experts Ted Woody McGrath, and it's being used by thousands of people who are getting great results and being able to build their own projects. So I wanted to make this video to clarify all doubts about Ted's Woodworking plans and also to warn you about the scams that are happening out there. So if you buy this product, buy only on the official website so as not to go through any kind of problem. And if you have any questions about Ted's Woodworking plans, you can leave a comment below and I will answer you.